how to set up a Discord subscription system with Whop. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up a Discord subscription system with Whop. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to set up a Discord subscription system with Whop, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. Add the Discord app to your Whop and connect your server. Open Whop and click on the Add Apps button. Select the Discord app and click Add App. Connect your Discord server by clicking the Connect Discord button. Add the Whop pod to your server. Adjust the role hierarchy to place the Whop pod's role at the top and click Refetch Roles. Add roles to your Whop by clicking Add Role and configure the settings under the Setup section. Step 2. Configure access and products. In the Access section, link your products to the roles in your Discord server. Use the Create Product button to create products if needed and assign them to the Discord roles. Step 3. Sign up for Stripe payments. Click the Set Up Now button in the Access section to link a Stripe account. Follow the instructions on Stripe to enable payments for your Whop account. Step 4. Promote your server. Share your server link with friends and family or anyone interested in your community. Spread the word on relevant platforms to reach a broader audience and attract members. So that's how you can set up a Discord subscription system with Whop. That's all for this video.